Hi everyone, my name's Tyler. I am the CEO and founder of Crewy App. I have had the absolute pleasure of working with Lycrosys Technologies. They have helped me build my app and take it from something that was just an idea, a thought, a scribble on a piece of paper to a fully fledged app that's now available on the Google Play Store and iOS Apple Store. Hardik and his team have helped me enormously, and that's just in the development stages, the graphic design stages, the building of the website, the patience that it takes to communicate sometimes over WhatsApp, Zoom, or sometimes even just simple text or phone call. Hardik and his team's patience is outstanding, let alone their ability and hard work in helping to understand your ideas, your goals, and help achieve that. I wouldn't have got this far without them, and I totally recommend anyone to use them. Absolutely anyone for anything. And I just want to say thank you to Hardik and his team for supporting my business, and I'm truly grateful for everything you guys have all done for me. So if you're looking for someone to build an app, website, graphic designs, anything, reach out.